Hi everyone, welcome to another Bochiknot Macrame knot series tutorial. We will be going over how to make the vertical lark's head knot. We will start with the right facing vertical lark's head knot. We will use the left cord as the anchor cord and the right cord as the working cord. Starting with the right cord, place the cord over the left, and then pull the right cord end through the loop, back over to the right. Then place the right cord underneath the left and over to the left, and then bring the right cord back over to the right through the loop. Pull on the cord to tighten the knot. A series of vertical lark's head knots are generally used in making bracelets and plant hangers. We will now go over how to do a left-facing vertical lark's head knot, doing exactly opposite of what we just did on the right, and using the right cord as the anchor cord this time and the left cord as the working cord. We will go over the knot on both sides one more time. If you are interested in learning many more knots, you can refer to my 50 knots and sentence tutorial, or you can download my free Bochiknot Macrame 50 knots and sentence ebook. Refer to the link in the video description below for more details. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.